Hey y'all, it is June 1st, 2026. We're doing another genuinely accessible Sudoku. This one's called Diamond Ring. Normal, and it's by Clover. Normal Sudoku rules apply. Digits separated by a white dot are consecutive. Let's solve this puzzle. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful it is. Oh gosh. This puzzle, this nice little diamond. There's got to be a lot to logic before we even get to normal Sudoku. So let's get started, you know. Look, this has got to be a 7 or a 6. Let's start with 7 or 6. And this has got to be a 7 or 6, so that's nice and restricted. And then this has got to be an 8. Both of these have to be an 8. This is a 9, and that's all we have. Any other 9s? Yeah, there are. We've got some given digits here. 9 is consecutive with 8 only. Any 1s? No. Okay. And 2 is consecutive with 1 or 3. I see we have some 2s here. Okay. Okay. So 6, 5, or 7 over here. This has got to be 4 or 6. This has got to be, well, this can't be 3, so this has got to be 5. Yeah, because of the 3 here, so this has got to be 5. Does that make that unlocks this 7 and this 5, which is good. Now here, we can only have 5 here, and we can't have 5 here, so we actually got the 5. That's supposed to be here, which could be helpful. Now we have 4 here, or 6. I feel like that might cause some issues. 4, 6. For now, we're okay. So now these 3. So it's gonna be 1s or 3s around here. And okay, so this 4, right? It has to be consecutive. So it's gotta be 3 because we already got the 5 in the box, and then we got our 1 here, and then we got our 3 here, which gives us our 1 here and gives us our 3 here, which is very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 7, and we actually do know the order. It's 6 here, and it's 7 here, which gives us our 7 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. It's a 4-9 pair over here. Cool. Nothing else is really gone. So here, right, we can't do the 7 because the 7's already the box. So we do 9. We just can't do the 7 here, so there's got to be a 9 here. So this is done, this area. Now this with the 3s, right? So we can do 2 and 4. Not sure exactly what that would be at this moment, but we will get there. So what about 1 in this box, right? You can't put the 1 here, and you can only put 2 or 4 here. So 1's gotta be here. And then this is a 2-4 pair, these 2. But you can't put the 4 here because of this. So we're gonna do the 2 here, and we're gonna do the 4 here. Gives us our 2 here, and gives us our 4 here, and gives us our 2 here. This is a beautiful puzzle. I'm really enjoying it. We've got some more stuff to do here with these boxes, but we're not really unraveled that much. Okay, so it's got to be a 1 here. There's got to be, well, this is a 2. This is a place because we got enough 2s. So do we have enough to, yeah, we can put this 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then this 2 has got to be over here too. Okay, 3s. So there's 1 3 here and 1 3 here. We're gonna put this here. Oh, sorry. No, there's not a 3 here. 3 3. Oh, 3's placed. Nice. And that means 1 is placed. Now are we somewhere with the 1s? No, we're not. But I know in this box, it's here, here. So we can mark that up. Now, this can't be a 1. Because of the 5 here with the consecutive. So this has to be the 1. Are we done now? With 1s? No, sorry. We're not even close. Okay, this 1. I keep checking if we're done with the 1s, and we're not even close to being done. All right. Okay, so 1's over here with one of these 2 boxes. And 2's, I think we're done. Right, yeah. 3's, we got a bunch of 3's. There's gotta be 3 here. Yeah, this is, I guess, the last one, and it's gotta be over here. How are we doing on 4's? Not many, that's why we're so tangled up with some of these. Okay, well, we're gonna mark this 4 over here. And these 2 4's over here. 5's. We have a bunch of 5's. So there's gotta be a 5 here because of this one. And once we have that, we actually do have oh shoot, no. I think we have a 5 here. Yeah, has to be here. My bad. And then this row needs a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What other 5's? Oh, here. So this 5 has to be here. We're on 5's. Yeah, we're on 5's. Let's look at 6's. Not looking too good. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. 6's. Okay. Well, we know there's gonna be a 6 here. 7. One of these. Oh, let's just draw this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6, 7 pair. Yeah. Well, this is a 4, 7 pair, isn't it? So now that we have, well, 7's can't be here, so the 7 has to be here. And okay, there could be a 7 here. We don't really know that much about 7's. Let's do 8's. 8 can't be here or here, so this is where the 8 goes. Then we can't put the 8 here or here, so 8 goes here. And then I think this is the last one. We got 8 over here. And then 9. We got some 9's over here. Oh, actually we have the 9 placed. So that leaves just one spot for the 4. Which makes this 7. Oh, it can't be the 7 either. So this has to be the 6. And this box, you just got one more place for the 6. And then this has got to be a 4. This has got to be the 7. Why was this a 6, 7 pair? Because it can't be consecutive. 8, 7, but it can't be 9 either, so this has to be a 7. Here we've got to put the 4. And here we've got to put the 6. So you've got, here you've got either the 1 Oh, and we've got a 1. Oh, right next to it, we can't do it. So the 1 has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now this has to be the 7, and this has to be the 6. And we've got the 4, 9 pair on this row. So this has to be that 9. This has to be the 4. This has to be the 7 in this box. This has to be the 4 because of the row. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. Then we know the 9 must be here. So the 6 is over here, and then we're at the end. You're looking at 1. Where does 6 go? 6 goes here. And we end with a 9. Very nice puzzle. Thank you so much to Artisanal Sudoku and Clover for this awesome puzzle. Bye, y'all.